On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will cover the overview of responsive design in CSS. We will give an overview of the basic concept of responsive design and the role of CSS in implementing it. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. In CSS, responsive design is a technique for appropriately displaying the layout and content of a web page on a variety of devices and screen sizes, such as smartphones, tablets, and desktops. To achieve responsive design, mainly the following techniques and methods are used. Media queries are a feature that allows you to apply different CSS rules based on device width, height, resolution, and more. This allows different styles to be applied depending on the screen size. In this example, the background color changes according to the screen width. In responsive design, the width and height of elements are specified using relative units like percentages or em, instead of absolute pixel values. This allows the layout to flexibly change according to screen size. Images are also set to scale according to screen size. For example, using max width can adjust images so they do not exceed the width of their parent element. Use the meta tag in HTML to ensure the browser correctly interprets the screen width of the device. Without this, responsive design will not function correctly, especially on mobile devices. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS are often used to efficiently achieve responsive design. These frameworks are designed to easily create responsive layouts using predefined classes. In the above example, when the screen width is MD, medium size, generally 768 px or more, two columns are arranged side by side, but on narrower screens, they are arranged vertically. Using CSS, Flexbox, or Grid, allows for flexible layout adjustments. These layout techniques are well suited for responsive design as they make it easy to automatically adjust layouts according to screen size. Responsive design is an important method to ensure users can comfortably view websites regardless of the device they use. By combining media queries, flexible layouts, frameworks, and new layout technologies like Flexbox and Grid, it is possible to create more flexible and adaptive web pages. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Your support keeps this channel motivated. Please subscribe to the channel.